name is Sean Allen. I'm Head of Talent Acquisition at the Very Group. The types of positions we hire for at the Very Group are quite varied. In tech, it's everything from UX, UI, data, covering engineering, science, and then all your classic engineering roles, platform, software, test, architecture, and so forth. So the full spectrum. The challenges we faced prior to using hackajob really started, I'd say, nearly 2 years ago when I joined, and we're just coming out of lockdown and COVID, and the whole market had changed. So the main challenge for me was, how do we tell our brand and our story authentically across the UK? And hackajob was a way we could tap into a large network of tech professionals that we wouldn't normally have reach to. Onboarding with hackajob was really easy. We kicked off originally with just pure brand content. We were able to leverage a lot of that content through our own networks and ambassadors via Very employees. So it became sort of multi-purpose content that we're able to leverage. And it really got us to tell that story to a network that we couldn't tell before. So we could actually talk about the journey we were going on and sort of attract those candidates that wanted to come on that journey with us. The experience we've had with brand has been great. What we've been able to do is actually look at the type of content we want to create, and we've managed to mix that up and bespoke it. What that's enabled us to do is really get that story to the market and change the perception. So we've done everything from podcasts to online events. We've done blog content, newsletter content, and more. We've actually made one hire from the podcasts. It's been super impactful. As well as the podcasts and blogs, we've also run 4 online events. From those, on average, 82% of attendees have wanted to work at the Very Group. The reason this is great is it just displays the tech that we are doing, and the way we're moving forward as an organisation is power to the authenticity of the brand and the story that we're telling. The impact on the team's daily workflow is minimal, so I have a very lean team for the number of roles that we do hire. We're actually able to streamline a lot of the sourcing side via hackajob, so you can check on a morning, and then from there it's all integrated with our ATS, so it follows our normal workflows. We're not in disparate systems, so the actual time saved is huge, but the reward you get back from that is massive, because you can actually spend the time speaking to and engaging candidates in purposeful conversations. From the sourcing side of the platform, 1 in 15 successful matches, so where the candidates accepted the request to speak with us, has resulted in a hire, and we've hired a range of roles across data science right up to engineering managers. What we spend on hackajob to what we would spend on an agency fee for that sort of hire. Just looking at an engineering manager, for example, I'd expect to be paying about £15,000 for one hire. Compare that to the full access of the hackajob platform. We can make a breadth of hires for a fraction of the cost. The relationship with the hackajob team is great. They're pretty much an extended part of my team. They're really invested in making sure that we get the success from the platform. The one thing that I always do say about hackajob is they listen to feedback that you do suggest, and you actually get time with the product teams to put those suggestions in. So as a platform, it's progressive, it moves with you as an organisation, and you're not stuck within the parameters of different types of platforms that haven't changed or evolved for years. I feel gutted if the partnership with hackajob ended tomorrow. Personally, I find it a real time saver to access high quality talent with a high conversion rate. Very grateful to have hackajob, and hope I don't lose them within a day, because that would be traumatic.